Hello guys, welcome to SN MMA. Today in this video I'm gonna predict Jairzinho Rozenstruik versus Augusto Sakai, the main event of UFC Vegas 28. I hope you will watch the video till the end. Before we go, please make sure that you have subscribed us. After a rare weekend off, the UFC is back at its Apex facility next Saturday for UFC Vegas 28. UFC Vegas 28 is a heavyweight dominated card, with both main event and co-main event featuring the UFC's big men. Overall, it lacks a bit of name value, but this should be an exciting and fun show to watch if things go to plan. Here are the predicted outcomes for UFC Vegas 28, Jairzinho Rozenstruik versus Augusto Sakai. Jairzinho Rozenstruik has been a knockout artist since his UFC debut in 2019. Both of these heavyweight contenders are coming off losses, but due to the fluid nature of the division, either man could become a title contender with a strong win here. Jairzinho Rozenstruik's UFC career in general has been a fascinating one. Biggie Boy was just 6-0 in MMA when he entered in the octagon for the first time in 2019, but he did have an extensive background in professional kickboxing, and right away we saw flashes of that as he put away his first 3 opponents by KO or TKO. Rozenstruik landed pinpoint accurate strikes that didn't even appear to be that heavy. A big and somewhat controversial come from behind the win over Alistair Overeem puts him in the title contention. However, 2020 went badly wrong when he was violently KO'd by Francis Ngannou. Essentially, if a fighter plays into Rozenstruik's hand, gets too wild or too aggressive and come forward recklessly, then he will probably knock them out in a violent fashion with a shot that at first looked inconsequential. But there is also a clear path to defeat Biggie Boy. You either take Rozenstruik down as Overeem did for the most of their fight, or pick at him from the outside and keep things technical as Gane did. So can Augusto Sakai pull either the game plan off? The problem for the Brazilian here is likely to be on the feet. Sakai is a lumbering character in comparison to Rozenstruik, who is surprisingly flat-footed. Sakai's UFC record is genuinely excellent, but all of the said win came against the slower opponent with the exception of Arlovski. And Arlovski, for his speed and explosiveness, doesn't possess the sniffing skill of Biggie Boy. Could he land a KO shot possibly? Anything can happen in UFC, but it's not likely. That leaves Sakai with the ground game option. But to be honest, based on what we saw Rozenstruik ground game against Overeem, it's hard to imagine Sakai taking Biggie Boy down and working him for a decision. My final pick for the main event of UFC Vegas 28 is Rozenstruik by second round KO. And guys, my today's journey with you ends here. Thanks for watching till the end. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any complaint, please leave it at the comment box. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.